for Northern State Medical University is very tough. The level of chemistry and biological question is quite high. Every year, a huge number of Indian students face rejection simply because they cannot clear the entrance exam test. Cracking NEET is tough, but finding a right medical university shouldn't be. If you are an Indian student looking at option abroad, then you definitely heard of Northern State Medical University in Arkhangelsk, Russia. It is currently home to over 1,000 Indian students. But is it worthy to living home for? Will your degree be valid when you come back to India? So today in this video, we are breaking down the fee structure, the NMC guidelines, the food availability, and how can you get the direct and hassle-free admission. The Northern State Medical University offers a fully English medium 6-year MBBS course, and this completely satisfies NMC requirement for course duration and English instructions. So this is very clear that your degree is valid in India. So after completing your MBBS journey, you can come back to your home country, sit for FMG or next exam and practice medicine here. Not only in India, you can also move to other abroad countries for your medical journey because your degree is globally recognized. Don't worry, guys, Northern State Medical University provides intense hands on clinical rotation. As I told you, your degree is recognized globally and you are fully eligible to come back to India and sit for next or FMG exam. And at Dr. C Making Consultancy, we verify all university documentation beforehand so your future is 100% legally secure. Private medical seat in India can cost anywhere from 80 lakh to 1 CR. But Northern State Medical University's entire 6-year MBBS course fees is not even half of the fees of private medical colleges in India. Yes, you heard it right. Northern State Medical University offers you a best quality education at a very lower cost. The tuition fees for the year 2026 is 3,50,000 ruble per year. Their hostel fees is 15,000 to 25,000 ruble per year, and their documentation charges is 25,000 ruble per year. And documentation charges includes visa extension, biometric, medical checkup, medical insurance, and other paperworks. Over 6 years, you can finish your entire degree for around 23 lakh 15,000 ruble. That includes your 6-year tuition fees, 6-year hostel charges, 6-year documentation charges. And guess what? There is no hidden donation fees. And if you are confused about budgeting, team at Dr. Sin Making Consultancy provides you a complete, transparent breakdown so parents know what they are exactly paying for. The Northern State Medical University has dedicated hostels for international students with 24/7 security and biometric entry, making it highly secure for both boys and girls. Missing ghar ka khana is very real. But luckily, because of large Indian community, there are Indian messes available that serve you proper veg and non-veg Indian meals daily. And if you prefer self-cooking, then supermarket and kitchen facilities are available. And when you apply through Doctors in Making Consultancy, our on-ground team helps you settle into the best hostel block and guide you directly to the Indian mess facility. Arkhangelsk is in northern Russia. Winter here are long and freezing with temperature easily touching 15 degree to 20 degrees Celsius. University's building, classroom, your hostel room is centrally heated. So the indoor heating is excellent, but stepping outside requires layers of thermal and good snow boots. The second challenge is self-discipline. While university prepares you clinically, you must start preparing for India's FMG exam from your third year onwards using online Indian coaching apps because university gives you degree, but cracking licensing exam back to home is absolutely on your own. So if you guys have qualified NEET score, an academic budget of 23 to 24 lakh and the determination to adapt, then Northern State Medical University is a stellar choice for you. Please wait because the most crucial information about this university is not informed yet, something that other consultancies won't tell you. Entrance exam for Northern State Medical University is very tough. The level of chemistry and biological question is quite high. Every year, a huge number of Indian students face rejection simply because they cannot clear the entrance exam test. So if you're planning to apply here, don't sit back blindly relying on just one option. To be on the safer side, you must keep another good backup university ready so that you don't end up wasting an entire academic year. At Doctors in Making Consultancy, we provide you complete end-to-end support. We will not only help you prepare for the entrance exam, but we will also keep a solid backup option ready for you, ensuring that your dream to become a doctor come true, no matter what.